Hello and welcome back. Did you miss me or not? Today we're gonna do a Swiss chard, soup with Swiss chard. We have a fight, Lebanese, Armenian. Some says Lebanese, some says Armenian. I don't care, I love it. Let me take a pan. I'm gonna take a big one so that I can put all my Swiss chard in it. A little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna put on medium heat. 1 or 2 smaller onion. Meanwhile, I prepared the small potato, just cut it small. I'm gonna add my potato with my onion. Now that my potato took a little bit of color and my onion is getting transparent, I will add 1 cup of black lentil. I washed it very good, already washed, so I'm just gonna add it. So I have a mix of onion, potato, and lentil. See? Nice color, no? Beautiful. I'm gonna get my water. Almost double the size of the lentil. Meanwhile, I'm gonna peel my potato. I'm gonna cut it in half. It's gonna help to reduce the liquidity of the soup. This tomato paste is gonna give a nice color and taste. And pepper paste. Now we're gonna wait until the pepper paste and the tomato paste are melted in the sauce. I'm gonna add my herbs. I love it. I will add thyme, rosemary, oregano, and the wild thyme. I'm gonna take my bag. It's gonna need around 15 to 20 minutes until the lentil is cooked. Meanwhile, I'm gonna finish my Swiss chard. So this is how you have to remove, voila. Remove the stem because the stem takes a bit more time to be cooked, so I will put it before. You take the leaf, you cut from the middle, you put them all together. So it's gonna take less time. And you chop like a centimeter. We want it long. It's nice in the soup to have it like long leaves. It's all the taste in it. Stems. I'm gonna check my potatoes. Much better. I can get it up. I'm gonna mash it. See this? It will give a density to my soup. Going back to the soup. Now 15 minutes has passed, everything is ready. My lentil is cooked, my onion is all translucent, my sauce is superb, the smell is there. I just need to add my Swiss chards. I'm gonna start by the stems. If you like your vegetables more cooked, you have to put it more time. What I like is crunchy and present, so I'm gonna give like 1 or 2 minutes and then I'm gonna add the leaves. I'm gonna close the lid and leave like 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna give small toss so that all the leaves get mixed. Since my soup is almost getting there, I start to fry my garlic and dry mint. Fry it with the olive oil. I added last minute and the touch of lemon and we're ready. I will add the olive oil. At the end, I will add my dry mint. Give it like 30 seconds so that my dry mint is also a little bit fried. And I'm ready. See? This is what I'm looking for. Ah, the smell. One thing left. Now it's time to remove my herbs. You reduce heat and you add your lemon. Gonna have my small bite. See? All of it in it. You have the stem, the leaves, the lentil, the color, the garlic, all is here. The crunchiness. The lentil is al dente. The sauce is beautiful, tasty, yummy. It's so easy, it's so light. You don't have to worry about your weight, you don't have to worry about the time of cooking. Vegetarian, vegan, this is your heaven. Taste it. Try it, try it. You're gonna love it. Just do it.